M for mango. N for nest. O for owl. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for world. X for Xmas.